The MasterKettle Charcoal Grill 22-inch model stands out as a versatile charcoal grill and smoker that comfortably handles both quick weeknight meals and long barbecue sessions. Its included Slow N Sear style insert and easy spin cooking grate make two-zone cooking remarkably straightforward, delivering intense searing over the coals while keeping a gentle indirect zone for delicate foods. The full cart design, with an integrated side table, gives you practical space for prepping and resting food, and the sturdy lid cradle keeps the lid secure and out of the way even on breezy days. A multi-vent ash management system and no-touch cleanout design mean ash removal is simple and tidy, so you spend far more time cooking than dealing with mess. Built from heavy porcelain enameled steel with thoughtful details like a reliable temperature gauge and dedicated probe port, it offers precise heat control that serious grillers usually only get from more complicated setups. Backed by a long warranty and the reputation of a barbecue-focused brand, this grill feels like a carefully engineered tool for enthusiasts who want restaurant-quality results in a backyard-friendly package.